Hey, greetings from Punta Cana. Today we are talking about Samana is a beautiful and diverse region in the Dominican Republic that is known for its stunning beaches, lush tropical forests, abundant wildlife, and diverse attractions. It is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the Caribbean, including Playa Rincon, Los Galleras, and Playa El Bao. Visitors can enjoy swimming, sunbathing, and water sports in the crystal clear waters. Samana Bay is a popular destination for whale watching, with thousands of humpback whales migrating to the area between January and March each year. Visitors can take boat tours to see these magnificent creatures up close. It is a home to several protected natural areas, including Los Haitises National Park and Limón National Park, which offer opportunities for ecotourism, such as bird watching, hiking, and exploring the region's flora and fauna. It is a home to several charming towns and villages, including Santa Barbara de Samana and Las Terrenas, where visitors can explore local culture and cuisine. The region is also known for its lively music and dance scene. It is still relatively undiscovered by mass tourism, which means that visitors can enjoy a more authentic and less commercialized experience. This also means that prices are generally more reasonable than in more heavily touristed areas. One of the most famous attractions here is the Limon Waterfall, which is located in the Limon National Park. The waterfall is over 130 feet tall and is surrounded by tropical vegetation. The peninsula was originally inhabited by the Tainos, an indigenous people of the Caribbean. Today, the population of Samana is predominantly Afro-Caribbean. Subscribe to our channel, thumbs up, ring the bell, and I hope to see you soon in the Dominican Republic. Oh, almost forget. Just below this video, you are going to find a special discount so that you can book your villas or apartments in all your activities. See you soon in the Dominican Republic. See you soon in Punta Cana.